What up mga subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, manonood po tayo ng video po netong ng syempre kay Mr. I'm Pop Price, no? Yan, kay I'm Pop Price, no? Panoorin po natin to guys, no? Kasi ito yung mga topic na kailangan natin i-tackle since marami po talaga mga nadi-divide po sa mga ganitong klaseng topic guys, no? As in, meron po talaga. Pero for me naman, kung alam niyo yung focus or kung alam niyo po yung goal ng ating mga P-pop artists or P-pop groups, no, dapat maging malawak tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. No, yun lang, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na dapat malawak tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. No. Wala naman dahilan or wala naman kung anumang reason para tayo po ay maghiwalay. No. Basta parehong puro Pinoy yan. So yun guys, ayoko na patagalin pa. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Let's go, I'm Pop Price. So bago ko para simulan to, shoutout kay I'm Pop Price, no, sa kanya itong video na papanoorin natin guys, no. And ayun, no, subscribe kayo dyan and ring yung notification bell kung halimbawa meron mga bagong updates kasi solid yan guys. Since mga pinapanoorin ko regarding po sa updates ng ng mga P-pop groups na. Let's go.
Beanie Malloy once again made a headline with her very, very unique way of doing fan service. The member of P-pop girl group Beanie caught the attention of a very popular K-pop online article, Koreaboo. This happens when Beanie Malloy goes viral again on social media for not hesitating to sharpen the pencil of a fan while waiting for Beanie outdoors after their event. As per the fan, the pencil actually belongs to her friend who was preparing for their board exams in July. Even local celebrities like Bianca Gonzalez were also puzzled with exams in July. Even local celeb actually belong waiting for social media for not hesitating to sharpen the pencil of a fan while waiting for Beanie outdoors after their event. As per the fan, the pencil actually belongs to her friend who was preparing for their board.
It turned out that the pencil belonged to her friend who was preparing for their board exam in July. Though the sharpened part of the pen did not last. One of a kind experience, the fun get treasure forever. Cute.
Exams in July. Even local celebrities like Bianca Gonzalez were also puzzled about it. As per netizens, it is actually a practice for board exam takers to ask people they look up to sharpen their pencils as a...
Pamahingin kayo sa board exam na magpatasakas ng mga top-notchers passers for luck, but that practice evolved throughout the years. No, exam takers as people they look up to sharpen their pencils, sabi nung... Okay. So, hindi lang siya pala literal na para naging si Maloy. Pero hindi natin alam, no? Hindi natin alam. Baka sadyang, ayun, may kasabihan palang ganito talaga.
Sign of good luck. Well, I guess the fans aren't wrong for looking up to Beanie. These past few days, Beanie, dubbed as the nation's girl group, are pretty much excelling also with their careers. As of today, Beanie has already amassed a total of 2.9 million monthly listeners.
Damn, guys. Wow. Shoutout sa Beanie. Ito na yun, unti-unti na.
On Spotify, making them hold the record for the P-pop group with the highest peak of monthly listeners on the
market, oh. Damn.
Said platform. They broke the record of the P-pop kings, SB19, with a record of 2.8 million monthly listeners. Now this is great news to P-pop groups with million of monthly listeners. This might be a sign that with just a few more push, P-pop soon will be mainstream and will be accepted widely in the country and in the international music scene. And speaking of P-pop going international, G22 and Beanie will soon make waves in a popular Chinese show.
Show it all, let's go.
The two girl groups are expected to appear on the show next week. As per the teasers, Beanie was dubbed as P-pop girl group benchmark and G22 as the strongest representative in the field of P-pop singers. Hopefully, this appearance will give both groups and the P-pop industry more exposure in the international scene. This is also a perfect timing for G22. On April 19th, the girl group are scheduled to release their newest single, titled One-Sided Love. So don't forget to show your support and stream their new music.
So yun guys, no, dito muna tayo sa... Ito may isa tayo papanoorin pa, no. I think, kamaya panoorin yan. Doon muna tayo guys sa topic niya, no. So for me guys, no, tingnan nyo. Wala tayong nakikita any negativities po sa ating dalawang P-pop groups, no, which is SB19 and Beanie, no. Wala tayong nakikita, even though nakikita ng Beanie ang SB19 sa part na yun guys, no. Hindi ko sinasabi na porkit nahigitan po ng Beanie ang SB19 is mas magaling na po sila, mas angat na sila sa lahat ng aspeto sa SB19, no. Hindi po ganun yun guys, no. Nahangatan lang nila SB19 sa isang aspeto na yun, pero iyan naman guys, mas marami pa pong achievements pa po na achieve ang ating Mahalima guys, no. Pero syempre alam mo yun, para sa akin nakakatuwa po kasi yun, like umaangat na po yung P-pop community, guys. Ito na yung simula. Ito yung gusto nga ni Pinuno, di ba, ni Pablo, na umangat po yung P-pop community, guys, no? As in, no? I think, gusto ko nga yung ginawa ng ganito ng, ewan ko kung timing talaga to or what, no? Hindi ko po, excuse me. Hindi ko alam kung timing to na parang ginawa talaga ng SB19, no? Parang ito yung time na medyo, hindi naman sa naglaylo pero nag-solo performance sila, nag-solo project sila or what. Hindi sila masyadong nag-release ng bagong kanta. Tapos parang nagbigay sila ng ng parang chance sa mga P-pop groups na iba na para maumusbong talaga as in. Pero hindi na alam, guys, no, kahit magpahinga baka ang SB19 baka talagang usbong time na po talaga ng Bini rin na sumikat talaga as in. Pero matagal na sikat ang Bini, mas nag-boom lang talaga sila ngayon. Pero hindi na alam kung ano pinaka-storya, guys, no. Pero I think, guys, ito yung gusto ng ating ng ating mahalima na ito yung pangarap nila, umangat talaga yung P-pop community and mga ibang other P-pop artists or P-pop groups, no. Kaya tayo pong mga fans, no, wag po sana tayong i-hate yung gantong grupo. Bakit ganto? Bakit sila umangat, no? Bakit dapat ito lang aangat, dapat kami lang, dapat itong idol lang naman yung umangat. Ano yun? Wag ganun, guys, no. Yung idol natin, guys, sila gusto nilang umangat bawat isa. Tapos kayo, gusto nyo, sila lang yung idol nyo lang umangat, tapos ibababa, no? Alam niyo yun, parang hindi niyo pinagbibigyan yung gusto ng idol niyo or ng idol natin, syempre idol natin ng SB19, no? Kaya sana support rin tayo sa ibang people. So, sige, okay lang, guys, na isa lang idolin natin. Pero wag naman to the point na sisiraan natin or ihilahin natin pa ba yung ibang group, no? Yun lang. Kung gusto niyo support ng isa, wala nang problema doon. Opinion yan, and syempre, it's your own free will, guys, no? Yun lang. Basta supportahan lang tayo, basta wala lang hilahan pa baba, negativities or what, no? Ganun lang. Okay,
Making its way to become the queens of P-pop of this new generation. From their 3-day sold-out debut concert, from their viral songs, and now topping the charts of online streaming platform. Just this week, the P-pop girl group dubbed as the nation's girl group have successfully dominated the Spotify Viral Songs Philippines
Let's
charts
go.
with 11 songs on the list. This is something that has never done.
Ooh! Look at this, guys. Salamin number 2. Let's go, no? Daily viral song sa Philippines mismo, guys, no? Number 7, Pantropico, matik yan, guys, no? Diyan sila pumutok. Pero I think nas umaangat na yung Salamin ngayon kasi parang yung Pantropico kasi parang medyo hindi naman natapos yung era, pero mas nung labas yung Salamin mas gumanon talaga siya. Huwag muna tayong umuwi, okay? Lagi, number 11 ng Lagi, guys. Ito, halos lahat to. 1, 2. Ito yung mga sinasound trip ko, guys. Yan, mula dito. And my most favorite song ng Bini, Karera. Guys, itong Karera para sa akin, kahit ano mangyari, kahit balik-balik na rin naman ang mundo. Ewan ko lang, baka pinaglabas sila. Pero kasi pinaka-favorite kong kanta ng Bini sa ngayon talaga is yung Karera. Yung meaning niya, yung thought niya, and yung feels niya. And sumakto pa yung time, guys, na may pinagdadaanan ako that time na matindi talaga, no? And sumakto yung Karera, guys. And ayun yung naging anthem ko, guys, for how many months, guys. As in, pinapatugtog ko siya and talaga na-boost yung basta yung aking way of thinking and everything, yung spirit ko, na-boost yung spirit ko talaga. So, shoutout dyan sa Karera, ang laking tulong sa akin yan. Kaya number 1 song yan nabing sa akin. So, yan, Na. Okay, good. Na nandito lang. Ito daw yung gawa ng fan, no? Ng Blooms, no? Tong kanta. No? Hindi ko na alam kung ano nila ginawa, pero ang angas nun. Ang huling cha-cha, okay, dyan ka lang, kinikilig. I feel good, wag no. Pero yan lang, guys. Wow, ang galing. Galing ng Bini, solid.
By any P-pop group yet. Clearly a sign that after the girls went viral, casuals are slowly discovering and streaming their discography. And as a result, Bini have just accomplished again another record for the most numbers of monthly listeners on Spotify of any P-pop group. As of this writing, Bini have already amassed 3 million of monthly listeners.
Yay! Look at that, guys. 23M yung Pantropico. Wow. Let's go.
This is already a big achievement for Bini, and certainly for the P-pop industry as well. Congratulations, Bini, and a big thumbs up for Blooms. And for another news, P-Pop Kings SB19 will once again represent the Philippine pop in another international award nomination.
Ooh.
SCC Awards is an international award-giving body located in Brazil, and they have just
Wow.
posted on their social media account the nominees for the International Group Duo of the Year. And yep, our very own P-Pop Kings are one of the nominees.
Look at that, guys. Yung mga international. Ay, damn. Twice. Look at that, no? Look at that, guys. 21 Pilots. Damn. Solid ng mga kata na. I blur face and I don't care what you think. Let's go. Sobrang solid yan, no? Ayan. The rest, hindi ko na siya alala, pero I think mga big names to sa iba't ibang bansa, guys.
SB19 will be competing
Mahal
against
lima, let's
big
go!
names in pop industry like Twice and La Seraphim. Voting will start on April 26th, so mark your calendar 18. Subscribe for more update, and I'll catch you
go.
on the next video.
Wow! Galing! Nakakatuwa yung ganito, guys, no? So, alam mo yun, dati ang halos na natin sa international is yung or mga news is usually SB19, pero ngayon may Bini na tayo nakikita sa sa mga news na. Let's go. So ito na, I think yung Bini darating na rin sa point sa mga international awards na. Let's go. Siyempre ating mahalima, good luck po dun sa anong klaseng anong awards mo makukuha nila sa kali dito. Ito, SEC Awards, no? So, ayan, yung mismong mismong platform na yan, SEC Awards. Sana po ay makuha nila, makasungkit sila. Pero kaya yan, 18, boto tayo. Let's go, boto tayo. Alam niyo yan, si Point of Heads, nakabuong boto rin sa mga ganyan, no? And, ayun. Kahit di 18, kahit mga casual fan, guys, boto tayo, no? Tulungan natin ating mahalima, no? And, syempre, ayun, congratulations, syempre, sa Bini. Congratulations sa Bini. Unti-unti na, guys, unti-unti na naabot yung pangarap nila, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang, suporta lang tayo. And syempre, congratulations sa ating mahalima, no? And ayan, ito naman, another milestone naman na ma-achieve nating mahalima, no? So ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang, suporta lang tayo sa P-pop, guys, ha? No hate, guys, just love, pure love lang tayo, guys. Let's go. So yan lang, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to this point of signing on. Peace, let's see.